I'm Eddie Cannell.
And I'm Tom Cannell.
Welcome, everyone. This is the Mortgage Brothers Podcast Show, and today we have a special update.
That's right. We'll be talking about the seasoning requirement update for cash-out refis. People have debt, they have current mortgages, or they just bought a home for cash, and now they need to pull cash out. How long do I have to wait in order to pull that cash out?
This is for informational purposes only. This is not financial advice. And if you like what we're doing here, be sure to subscribe, comment, and like. We'll always get back to everyone who does put in a comment. And if you have any questions or scenarios that you're working on, we'll be happy to help.
That's right. All right, let's get into it.
Okay, so recently, it was in February of 2023, a big update that caught a lot of people by surprise is cash out refinancing seasoning.
Yeah.
And what in the world is seasoning?
Right. Yeah. What is seasoning? Well, it's a waiting period. It's a period that you have to wait in order for the dust to settle. Basically, there's lots of different moving pieces, and there's various reasons for why they want seasoning. But because money is so important and people do a lot with it, they want to make sure that the dust settles on the house, literally almost.
Yeah. So if you're going to get a conventional loan to take cash out of your house, in the past, you just needed to wait 6 months. Now you have to wait 12 months. The banks want you to be waiting longer before you can take cash out.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So whether you actually have a loan in place and you simply need to do a cash out to make home improvements or pay off other debt, you need to wait that 12 months. Or if you actually paid cash for the house, you're like, I want to go ahead and pull some cash out. There is still a seasoning requirement.
That's just the whole thing. I think a lot of people have been caught by surprise because we're getting calls right now from customers. They've gone, they were working with another lender and they're calling us saying, hey, can you do a cash out in 6 months, in 8 months or 4 months? There are options to do a cash out before the 12-month, the seasoning period. Those are called delayed financing guidelines that we use to do it before. But a lot of you, if you have, you're going to have to contact your loan officer. But, Tom and I, we're mortgage brokers right here in Phoenix. We can help you go through your scenario and if you're eligible for that delayed financing cash out.
Yeah. In addition to the delayed financing little exclusion, also too, if your home equity line of credit on the home is in place, that can be refied too sooner. So, the HELOCs are a different type of loan. They're typically seconds. But if you don't have a first and you have a HELOC, you can still get that paid off sooner. So it is important, to reach out to us and run your scenario by us.
Right. And this is for conventional loans. And there's really three main categories that we do. And most of the loans out there on residential mortgages, there's three categories: a conventional loan program, FHA, and VA home loans. And let's just do a quick recap on the FHA and VA. FHA, if you want to get an FHA loan and take cash out, you also have to wait 12-month seasoning.
Right. Yep. On the VA loan requires 6 months payments to be made and 210 days to pass from the date that your first payment was made. So it can get a little bit, little full of your mouth in terms of what exactly is the timing for the VA, because there's those two parts. 6 months payments must be made and 210 days must pass from the date of that first payment that you made.
Yeah. So if you're a veteran, good idea. Just reach out to us. We'll let you know if you're eligible, because sometimes it just gets really confusing. And remember to subscribe, comment, like. We'll be back with another update. Take care, everybody.
All right. Thank you, folks.
Thank you for watching the Mortgage Brothers Podcast. If you have any questions, email us at team@azmortgagebrothers.com. And if you like this content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the Mortgage Brothers team.